In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your YouTube channel to Hootsuite. By the end, you'll have your channel linked so you can plan, publish, and track YouTube content right from your Hootsuite dashboard. First, log in to Hootsuite using your existing account. Make sure you're signing in on a desktop browser where you're comfortable managing permissions. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your verification method ready so you can move through login without delays. Once you're in, head to your account settings area where social profiles are managed. Depending on your version, this section may be labeled social accounts or manage accounts. You'll usually find it by clicking your profile icon or a settings gear in the sidebar. When you're in the right place, you'll see a list of any profiles you've already connected. Now look for the option to add a new profile. This button is often named Add Social Network or Connect Account. Click it to open the list of platforms Hootsuite supports. From the list of available platforms, choose YouTube. You might see several networks side by side. Make sure you select the YouTube option so Hootsuite knows which connection flow to start. Next, sign into the Google account that's connected to your YouTube channel. If you manage multiple Google accounts, take a moment to pick the one that owns or has the right permissions for the channel you want to use in Hootsuite. If you're already signed into several accounts in your browser, Google may prompt you to confirm the correct one. Also, if a pop-up window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow the sign-in window to open. Google will display a permissions screen. Review what Hootsuite is requesting, typically the ability to manage your YouTube account and view channel analytics so Hootsuite can schedule videos and pull performance data. Click Allow to grant access. This step is essential. Without these permissions, the connection won't complete. After you allow access, you'll return to Hootsuite and should see confirmation that YouTube is connected. Look for your channel's name or icon in your social accounts list. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and refresh the page. Seeing the channel listed means the connection is successful and you're ready to work with your YouTube content in Hootsuite. And that's it. You've logged into Hootsuite, navigated to your social accounts, added a new network, selected YouTube, signed in with the correct Google account, granted permissions, and confirmed the connection. Happy scheduling.